Hello guys, it's the Famous Girl, your best YouTube channel. Silver catfish, it has a length of 6.5 centimeters. It dwells in the rivers such as Tana River, Galana, and Earth River. They dwell on fresh waters. They occur mainly on shallow waters, spawn throughout the year, picking ones, migrate into rivers in very compact schools during the rainy season to spawn in floodwater pools. They feed on a wide range of invertebrates, including terrestrial insects and all or pieces of fish. These are the red-eye labio. Common names is Kivuli Lake Baringo and Borode in Pokot. Their body is cylindrical, while the dorsal fin is concave. The eyes are small, with red iris visible from above. Gentle orifice is distant from original of anal fin. The snout is fleshy. The upper lip well developed with a series of folds. Dark lateral strip along middle of flank present in juveniles. It is distributed in rivers such as Pangani, Adi, Galana, and Upper Tana. Behavior: they inhabit rocky regions of lakes and clear running waters. These are the largemouth bass. Common names: black bass and green bass. They grow to a maximum length of 97 centimeters. They are usually green with dark blotches that form a horizontal strip along the middle of the fish on either side. Habitat: largemouth bass seek protective cover such as logs, rock edges, vegetations, and man-made structures. They prefer clear quiet water but will survive well in a variety of habitats. They are originally distributed throughout most of what is now the United States east of the Rockies, including many rivers and lakes in Texas. We have limited populations in southeastern Canada and northeastern Mexico. Because its importance as a game fish, the species has been introduced into many other areas, including nearly all of Mexico and South and Central and South America. In Kenya, they can be found in Lake Victoria, Lake Naivasha, dams in upper reaches of Earth and Tana rivers. Behavior: they build saucer-shaped nests in sand and gravel.